GMAT Quantitative Strategies. Unlocking Success. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the strategies you can employ to excel in the quantitative section of the GMAT. Remember, acing this section requires not just your math skills, but also the right approach. Let's discover how to use these strategies effectively. The GMAT quantitative section consists of two main types of questions. 1. Problem solving, PS. 2. Data sufficiency, DS. For problem solving, you'll be given a mathematical problem and multiple choice answers. It's pretty straightforward. Data sufficiency, on the other hand, might be new to some of you. You'll be given a question and two statements. Your task is to determine if the information provided is sufficient to answer the question. It's crucial to understand the format of DS questions to answer them correctly. Every second counts in the GMAT. You'll have a limited amount of time to answer all the questions in the quantitative section. Here are some tips. 1. Practice. Familiarize yourself with the type of questions so you don't waste time reading instructions. 2. Pacing. Avoid spending too much time on one question. If you're stuck, make an educated guess and move on. 3. Review. If time allows, quickly review your answers. Believe it or not, your attitude can play a significant role in your performance. 1. Stay calm. Don't panic if you come across a challenging question. Deep breaths, focus, and move on. 2. Confidence. Believe in your preparation. Doubting yourself can eat into your valuable time and affect performance. 3. Practice mock tests. The more you simulate the real test environment, the more mentally prepared you will be. Sure, strategies are vital, but don't forget to sharpen your math skills. 1. Brush up basics. Make sure you're clear with fundamental mathematical concepts. 2. Practice. Solve as many GMAT-specific questions as you can. Understand the logic behind the answers. 3. Use official guides. These guides offer real GMAT questions and are an excellent resource for preparation. And that's a wrap on our overview of GMAT quantitative strategies. Remember, a combination of strong math fundamentals and a smart approach can help you conquer this section. We hope these strategies pave the way for your GMAT success. Happy learning, and all the best for your GMAT journey.